As reported by Reuters on Tuesday, December 16th, the US Air Force confirmed that it has acquired two Boeing 747-8 jumbo jets. The cost of this acquisition was stated to be $400 million. It was stated that the purpose of the acquisition is to establish a training and sustainment program for the United States' future presidential airlift fleet. Since modification work for the official and ex-Qatari interim 747-8 is ongoing and will continue to take some time, having the pair of functioning ex-Lufthansa jumbo jets will help crews prepare to operate the newer 747 variant. Additionally, since production of the 747 has ceased completely, spare parts are in relatively short supply, and so the purchase will help ensure the Air Force is able to keep its 747-8 active for decades to come. For daily aviation news, check out simpleflying.com.